Alright, by popular demand, I was asked to make a barrel grill. Now, I wasn't a fan favorite of these because of how thin the metal is. It's 18 gauge on the outside. But I did a few things to beef it up. It's got 4-inch wheels on the bottom. Rolls real nice. You see I'm out here on the grass, so I didn't have a problem. It's got 2 Cool Touch stainless steel handles, temperature gauge, and then I kind of try to beef up this rack. Hold on. It's got a chain that holds it so it doesn't go all the way back too far. So what we got here is I made 2 different racks. They're the same but different. You got one that this thing right here weighs a lot. So what I did, I made it 2-tier. One will be closer if you want your food a little hotter. You put the charcoals in, and then this one over here is a little bit lower. Now the good thing about this is that you don't have any coals resting on this thin metal in the bottom. Put it all right here, so you don't have to worry about a burnout like how they normally burn out on the bottom, because you got a nice coal rack down there. This one's simple. I'm gonna call this one Old School right here. I like to name my grills. This one's called Old School. It's where your fresh air comes in, and then and then it comes out up top right here. I gotta shut the door, but so I couldn't really beef it up more than what I had because this metal is so thin, it's hard to weld on. But I tried to, reinforce it with some angle iron on top. Then I put some hefty hinges on it. So I got a friend at work that wants it, but if somebody doesn't, or if someone wants it, if he doesn't want it, it's for sale. I can start making them. I got 2 orders ahead after this one, so it wouldn't be until the end of August. But these are going for $375. So if you want one, let me know.